I will share with you on how to qualify a supplier using a step-by-step approach in this video. This video is for supplier quality management and procurement professional or anyone who deals with the supplier. By the end of this video, you will know what are the preparations and the activities that's needed to qualify a supplier effectively. Do feel free to jump in any section that you're interested in this video using the timestamp. Let's look at the supplier qualification and selection process itself, started from performing suppliers survey. So this is more of a high-level type of survey to request information from potential suppliers. These steps could be optional and it could serve as a first-level filtering. Second, it will be develop and share suppliers' quality standards. So it is a high-level expectation from your company on suppliers' quality standards. Perform qualification audits. This step is the most complex and it should be planned at least 6 months ahead during the early phase of a potential supplier qualifications. And finally, suppliers' decisions, where the SQM or the Supplier Quality Management team will put in the recommendations based on the quality evaluation of suppliers' capability. In the next few slides, we shall zoom into each and every section here and with even more details. Supplier survey is actually a simple tool to perform a high-level understanding on suppliers' quality capabilities before we even started to audit them in their facilities. So I'm sure you do not want to work with suppliers who has poor response and do not even know how to fill in a survey form correctly. Either they are not interested in your business or have poor capability. It will be useful if you have a huge choice and many players in the market for certain types of commodity or parts or even services such as electronics manufacturing services. As our time is a constraint, it will help to minimize non-value added suppliers' trips, especially those overseas suppliers. So the main focus will be on quality. In supplier quality standards is actually developed by your company on it is a high level company's expectation on supplier quality management, and it will follow some kind of quality management system, such as the common one will be ISO 9000, and it is used to obtain suppliers' commitment to meet customers' requirement. If a supplier is unable to meet the requirement, it should be highlighted to the procurement team. So let's go to the next detail of performing qualification audits. An audit is actually a planned, independent, documented on-site assessment to determine whether suppliers are able to perform upon agreed requirements. The reason why we perform audit is because maybe it has not been done before for new supplier sites or technology or even new manufacturing line. Sometimes a company has a policy of have another look for surveillance audit or regular audits, and is necessary, maybe at times that supplier is having too many excursions, it will be wise to re-audit the whole line again. And then usually the audit is performed as when there's new suppliers, new products, new manufacturing line, and also the audit outputs should be the gaps identified from the audits itself for the suppliers to improve and meet your requirements. After all the work that has been done in suppliers audit, we would have the capability to understand the suppliers better and can make objective recommendations for the suppliers selections to the procurement team. However, the final decisions always comes from the procurement team, although quality might have the biggest impact, as there are some other areas such as suppliers' financial strength needs to be considered. I have two 5-stars rated supplier quality management courses which will enhance your skills in this area at Udemy, an affordable course provider. The first course is designed to provide supplier management professionals with a systematic approach in 7 essential areas of supplier quality management, which include supplier selection, qualification, product qualification, supplier development, sustaining management, supplier evaluations, with all the templates prepared for you to use immediately. Do click on the link below to join this course. It takes years to become an expert quality auditor. I have created a course on effective supplier quality audit where you can uncover the secrets on how to become an effective auditor overnight by learning the quality auditing skills which I have accumulated for over 20 years. You will learn to uncover the gaps in manufacturing process systematically, leading to suppliers' process improvement without complex problem solving. It is a very small investment for you to become the best in the industries and sought after professional in supplier quality. Do click on the link below to join this course, which is 5-star rated by more than 10 experts now. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to this channel, which is created to help you in your quality engineering career through the applied knowledge from my 30 years of experience. And I hope to see you in my other lessons.